Oh, there it is. I see it right there. Okay. I said y'all was gonna learn how to do some folding, so here's a video on folding, and then I'll send all the laundry videos out tomorrow.
Big bowl of my laundry right here.
Big bowl with a basket.
Big basket of my laundry. And I'm not gonna help.
Abigail, come here. You gotta match socks. Can you match socks?
No.
Do these two socks match?
Yes.
They don't match. This one has no pink and this one has pink, right?
But
Well, they're not the same, are they?
they don't have
They
the
should
same
have
color.
matches in this.
Let's go.
So underwear,
Don't show them my underwear!
you just fold it in half with hers.
Do not show them my underwear! I told her before this video, do not show you my underwears. Stop! Stop!
Okay, give me them. I'll put them over here.
Take every underwear, put it over there.
Okay. Let's see. Does that have a match? Don't match those because those don't match. Don't match those because those don't match.
Yes, they do. This one has blue on it. So take out.
Does that one match?
Yes.
These two match, right? So fold them together. How you gonna fold them
You
together?
fold them together. Well, you put them both together, same way. You take one of the socks, open it up, put your thumb inside, and then pull it inside out. And this sock should go inside of it. And there's your socks.
Alright, so does the sock. Okay, so shirts. My child always takes hers off inside out, so they're inside out. So you gotta flip them in right side.
Yeah. And my pants too. My pants too. And that one's pretty, a mermaid.
And so you get all the wrinkles out and you grab them at the shoulders, put them together.
Show them how to fold pants.
I will. Straighten it out. You can set it down on something flat.
That head's in your pocket.
Yes, I did.
Washed.
I took it out, but I missed some stuff.
Okay, I found it.
You found the extra stuff. So then it's folded like this. Here's a long sleeve shirt that of course is inside out. Well, halfway. Stick my
How
arm
is it
in.
inside halfway out?
I don't know. You tell me.
That's my shirt.
So yeah, you took it off.
And it's a beautiful unicorn.
So you grab it at the shoulders where the seams are.
Where the
And
short
grab it
where
at the
short
neck.
sleeves should be.
Shake it to where they match. Lay it flat. Put the arms down. And fold it in half. And then set it in the pile. Alright, pants.
I got two shirts.
These are half in and half out. So you gotta pull the pant leg right side out.
Sometimes
Now
I
I
do
fold
like
her
this.
clothes a little different than I do Mr. McNair's. I fold hers in half at the seam. Huh? Stop. And then you fold it. You keep folding in half and in half. So that's quartered.
And
There's
that's
another
what it's
sock.
supposed
Does
to
that
look
match one? You gotta fold. You gotta turn it right side out.
Yep.
Show them how to turn it right side out.
So if you have an inside sock, put both of your hands inside, go all the way to the toes, are supposed to be. Push it out, and push all of it out. And shake it. I have to pull it a little bit. And this might be inside out. Just flip it up. And this one does match with that one. So again, you're going to want to take both the socks, again, put them together, put your thumb inside one, and then pull like this, and put it inside out like that, and the other sock should be inside of there.
Okay, another pair of Abigail's pants. Now turn them right side out again. So you stick your arm in the whole leg and pull it out. You take them, you fold them in half. Straighten them out. Then fold them in half again. And then one more time. And stick them in the pile.
And skirt, do a skirt.
Well, skirt's inside out. And those are easy to flip. So here's your skirt. I just fold it and fold it in half. In a minute. There's another sock. Some more pants. Inside out. Stick your arm through, grab the end and pull it. And fold it in half.
They're probably all gonna say, oh, she took it.
Alright, in the pile. Another sock. St. Patrick's shirt just turned right side out.
Michael.
Says lucky. Fold it in half at the shoulders.
I tried to put it on and pull it out of here and it went up with the shirt.
Straighten out. Lay it flat, as flat as you can. Fold it in half. Set it in the pile. Some St. Patrick's Day leggings. Inside out, of course, so we gotta turn them right side. Stick your arm all the way through, grab it on the end, pull it through. Probably on camera, Abigail. Fold it like that.
Hope you guys didn't hear that.
Fold it in half again, so it'll be, look. Okay, that's her softball sweatpants. Sweatpants.
Those aren't my softball. They have softball on it, but they're I didn't wear them to softball.
I know, they're just your sweatpants that have softball on them. So straighten them out. You fold it. Right, match the socks. Fold it in half.
And look, these both of them are
Fold it
inside
in
out.
half again.
Don't worry, they smell so good. Take them,
Oh, pants.
flip, and take the end, find the end right there, and then flip that inside and shake. And I dropped the other sock on the ground. I'm gonna pick it up. Blah!
Those are Minion socks. Okay.
Wait,
You gotta turn it
show
right
the
side
outs-
out.
The right side out minion. Because I know it doesn't really look like a minion. Banana! Banana! Banana!
Fold them together. I think you got 2 more pairs. Here's another pair. They're actually Mr. McNair's socks. I don't know how they got in Abigail's laundry, but they got fuzz all over them too. Fold them in so they're together. And then here's another pair of Abigail's.
Those are actually my dad's, but he gave them to me.
Well,
Because they didn't,
there.
he actually didn't fit them anymore.
Here, you do it.
Put them
You got
together.
one more pair.
Stick finger in, pull. And these ones, and if you have super stretchy socks and super big socks that the other sock way fits inside, you can pretend they just only have one sock.
Okay, there's the other pair.
And another pair right here. Why are you laughing so much? Wait, can you like straighten that one?
Let me see.
Show them. You show them this time.
There
You have to speak.
You put them together. You grab the edge of one and flip it in.
But I don't leave those out.
But I do. So I know what socks I'm grabbing in the mornings.
And I flip them all the way.
Okay, we got another shirt of Abigail's. Of course, inside out.
What shirt is that?
Stick your arms in,
Is that a polo one?
grab the edges, and flip them out. Shake it to get all the wrinkles out. Don't hit yourself in the face like I just did. Fold it in half at the shoulders.
Really? Are you okay?
Yeah, smack me in the face. Put your arms down. And, yes, and then fold it in half. Yes, they smacked me in the face. Okay, one more shirt.
Inside.
It's not inside out. Imagine that.
And this looks like one of Mr. McNair's shirts.
Yes, it's got the horsepower on it right there.
Mm-hmm.
On the horsepower.
Polo.
Fold it at the seams and the shoulders. Straighten out. Fold that in. And fold that over. Abigail, go get me a hanger. I'll show them how to put them on a hanger. There's some on the back of the bathroom door.
And there's some in my room.
Abigail, just get the ones off the back of the bathroom door. I need one from the back of the bathroom door so I can show them how to put pants on a hanger. Okay, so you get a hanger. If you can see it.
No,
Big
there's
shirt.
no one on the back of the door.
Bathroom door, baby. So I'll do the polo shirt. So you take this. It will probably be unbuttoned. Make it a little easier. You stick one side in to the shoulder, the other side in, and what I do to make sure it doesn't fall off is you button the top button. Just like that.
And this is a little bit different of a hanger because that one's thick and this one's thin. She's going to show you how to put pants on a hanger.
Okay. Usually when I do Mr. McNair's laundry,
Because he never does laundry.
he washes. I fold and put away. So
You do one more thing that he does.
what?
You put them away. That's one more thing. And he just washes them.
He
You
washes
fold them
them
and put them away.
So
No.
these are his pants. There should be an inner seam and an outer seam. I match the two seams together. So I match them together. And then I do the same for this side. I put them together with this one. So when you look at them, there should be now a crease on the front and the back side of the pants. And then I take
They
the
probably
hanger.
don't know what a crease is.
Then I take the hanger, I put it through about halfway, straighten it out on the hanger,
Why
so
not?
then they won't be wrinkled.
Why